Welcome to a presentation from the Library of Virginia International University. Today we're going to talk about adding learning materials to eCampus. What enables us to link these or add resources to eCampus is something called Curriculum Builder. And that is a plugin that connects our databases from the EBSCO Discovery Service to the eCampus. And with Curriculum Builder, a faculty member can search within the library sources from within eCampus and link those to weekly reading list. Curriculum Builder can track those who used resources from our library system. So why is this important? This is important to prevent copyright violation. Leaving documents in eCampus permanently may lead to a violation of copyright law based on the author's permissions. Sometimes authors only permit people to use sources even for education for only one term and place those in a learning management system such as eCampus. So what Curriculum Builder does is create a link between the library and eCampus. We already have permission to use library resources by purchasing subscriptions and purchasing the materials, but putting a PDF in eCampus permanently may be a copyright violation. By linking, we avoid the permanent placement and instead are linking from one copy to the other, or one source to the other. So to begin, you will open your course and put it into the editing mode, and you'll notice under each week, under each section, there is a drop-down box called Add an Activity. From the Add Activity, you select the external tool. In here, you'll also have to add your activity name, i.e. the reading list, etc. It's up to you what you want to call your list. And also down here, you're going to launch, you're going to select pre-configured tool. And you can see here under the libraries, under the pre-configured tool, we're going to select a library search. Then you will click Save and Return to Course. And I named our list Reading List, and you can see here it will appear underneath your course. So what you'll do is you'll actually click on it, and it will bring you to a library interface that looks like this. And you'll notice that you can select, this is a search engine to search all the resources in the EBSCO Discovery System. With this, you can select by keyword or author or title. And when you get your results, you'll notice a few things. First of all, if you see this check OC, LC, ILL, you'll have to ignore those readings. There is currently a bug in the system, but as far as if you see these kind of listings, what it means is that it's going to search and bring us the listing, and we don't want that. We want full text articles. So how can we prevent getting returns like this? When you limit your results, after you do a search, you can limit them to full text and also available in the library collection. And you can also go, if you have a specific database in mind that you want to search, you can go afterwards and look in source type. And again, do not click on OCLC. When you find a reading that you like, click on Add to the Reading List, and it'll be then that permalink will be created in your list. If you wish to remove unselected articles as well, click on Remove. If you want to add URLs from other sources like Merlot or other really good education open source kind of links, you can do that, and you can add the links. You'll need the URL, and you'll have to give it a title. And you can see here there's a number of suggested open resources for use. We have Credo Reference, which is actually, this is a subscription that we belong to, but it's really good, that has dictionary, thesauri, encyclopedias in it. Merlot 2, which is an open source consortium with a lot of great resources. The Khan Academy offers practice tests, and Mind Tools. I encourage you to take a look and look for supplemental material that may help you. Now that we've seen all the steps, let's put it all together. First thing we do is we go down here to add an activity, find external tool, select external tool, and we get a page with the activity name. I'm going to call this the additional reading list. And remember to select library search. That will look for library resources. Hit save and return. That'll bring you out to your Moodle page or eCampus page. Then select on the list itself like this, and you will get the library interface. Okay. So this is on auditing. We're going to add resources, and you can see here we can choose either by keyword, author, or title if you knew exactly what you were looking for. But I'm going to leave it at keyword. And you notice here are some of the search results. I wanted to show them. Check OCLCILL. This is a bug in the system. Do not check these. The system doesn't have them. The library system. What that is to do is to order books from another library. But what you can do is click on full text updates, and in this example I'll click on scholarly peer-reviewed articles, click on update, and now you can see. So I'm looking through the list here. You don't have to select every one, but you have 94,000 readings available to you. So I'm just going to add a few. Okay, so I'm going to do that. And also, if you want to limit it as well, before you add or after, you can go here to the subject list, and you can see the articles are broken down some more. So if we were going to look at decision making and in auditing, we can do that as well, or for whatever subject you have. And again, you can select from the list if you'd like to add it to the list. And when you're finished, you can go. We'll go take a look at current reading list. Also, when you're ready to remove it from the list, you can remove those from the list just by clicking remove from the list. So let's go to our current reading list for a moment, and we can see here are our articles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 articles that we've selected, and you can also select the order of those articles. So let's say you really wanted this article to be the last one, this to be the 5th one, that to be the 4th one, that to be the 3rd one, that to be the 2nd. You can do that, and then you just click Save Changes. It will reorder the articles for you. Alright, and then also if you wanted to add a resource, maybe from the web or from a good open source kind of material like Merlot, you can. You have to add the URL and the title link. So what you would do is this is Merlot, and it cuts off my screen here, but you can see this is ABCs of auditing flashcards, all kinds of learning materials Very good for supporting classroom instruction. If you want to learn more about Merlot, just come by and see us. And I'm going to use this one called the free flashcards. And if we add the free flashcards, it gives students a online quiz that they can take. It takes there's 393 cards, for instance, that I'm using in the example. So let's say I want them to use that. So I'm going to give the link a name, flashcards. And then again, add to the reading list. Okay? So there's our current reading list. I've left this at the top, the number 7, or the flashcards. If you have any questions, please do contact the librarians. We can help you with setting up or using Curriculum Builder. We can also help you look in the library resources or open sources for additional materials. Thank you.